The most important thing that I learned to date in business communication is the importance of oral talks. Oral talks give you the benefit to present an idea or informative information to an audience. Oral talks can be used professionally when you want to gather thoughts to colleagues, business representatives, and companies, or to someone of a higher class. Socially, business communication can be used for family or friends using webcam or FaceTime. Oral talks give you the knowledge of how to talk to an audience clearly, monitoring proper time rating, watching speaking position, hand control, voice, tone, volume, and building eye-to-eye contact. Oral talks give you the basic principle of learning how to communicate with an audience using these basic techniques into getting their attention. Oral talks is one of the most essential importance of business communication skills I feel I can use in my personal and or professional life.